I introduced to you the Guru Excel Navigator add-in for Excel. Let's look at this workbook as an example. This workbook contains more than 100 sheets. If you look at the bottom here, it's very hard to tell how many sheets we have in this workbook. You can do the right click and you can see you can see the number of sheets there, but then you need to select the one and activate it if you need to go to it. It's a little cumbersome. Most people don't even know about that option. So most people, including myself, tend to just click on these little arrows at the bottom, just slowly navigate to the right or to the left until you find the sheet that you're looking for. If you look at the bottom here, you can see maybe 10 or 11 sheets at a time, depending on the size of the sheet names. If you look at the add-in vertical tabs on the side, you can see there's, I think, about 29 tabs all at a glance without having to scroll one bit. If you need to see more tabs, it's as easy as taking the scroll bar and just go down and look for the tab that you need. Once you find the sheet that you're looking for, simply click on that. That's how easy it is to navigate using the vertical tabs on the side. If you need to go back to the first sheet, as easy as scrolling to the top and just click on that first sheet. You can download your copy of this add-in absolutely free and install it in Excel. It's compatible with Excel 2000 and later, and it works on Windows PCs. Just click on the download link below and it will take you to the download page. Thank you very much. Enjoy.